everyone, George from ZenHub here with another 2.5-minute tutorial. This tutorial is going to cover filtered workspaces. If you've ever used the GitHub issue view, you'll notice that it only ever loads the first 25 issues at a time. So there's a lot that you don't see by default. ZenHub, on the other hand, we load all of your issues. We can even combine repositories together into a single workspace to show you issues that span your organization. Now, under normal circumstances, this works really well. But if you work as part of a team of teams and there are a lot of issues in your workspace that don't apply to you, well, we've got a new way to be able to help you optimize your workspace. So let's say we're on this team called Team Watney. They're obviously using labels to keep track of their issues. So we've created a workspace here called Team Watney Assigned. We're going to switch to that, wait for it to load. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to load just the issues labeled Team Watney? Well, there is. Click Switch Workspace, click Edit, and then you'll see an option titled Filter Workspace by Labels. We're going to flip that on. We're going to select Team Watney, and we're going to click Done. And now you'll notice that we're only loading those issues labeled Team Watney. As a result, we went from loading 6,000 issues to loading 120 something. All those issues in the Icebox pipeline that you don't care about, you don't have to load. You can easily spot a filtered workspace because the label appears underneath the workspace name. This will really speed up your experience using the board. Seems simple, right? Yeah, it is. See you next time.